Hi, my name is Costa Delacourse with Keystone Construction. I am here at Teresa Zamudio's house, claim number 0823952148. On this roof specifically, Allstate has called for repairs. But it's an 18-year-old roof with 2 layers and widespread shingle damage everywhere. So with the amount of shingles damaged, obviously the age of the condition of the roof, well, we're going to attempt to repair anyway based off of Allstate's findings. So we're going to start with this shingle right here. And I'm going to go ahead by starting with scraping up the shingles around it. Give me one moment. All right, so this is the shingle here. We're going to start by scraping. Okay, you can see, look at that shingle, I just scraped it up. You want to see the matting transfer, the whole glue line just ripped off. Just trying to force that one out. Let's try this one next door. Okay, same thing. So we're gonna see. Same thing here. Super rips in the glue line. So this one here next to it. Okay. Slightly here as well. You can see all right here. That whole glue line's broken. All right there. Okay, let's get the roll on top. Let's also get the ones that are next to the shingle. That one was real solid. Same thing with these, as you can see. Same thing. Glue lines are just breaking. Matting transfers. All right, let's get these ones on top. That one was actually really easy. And this one. Okay. So, there we go. All right, so next step obviously is removing this shingle that we're gonna be replacing. So let me get my snake, start pulling these nails out. Again, you guys can see the matting transfer was no joke. All right, so let's do this next. I'm actually gonna sit this on here so you guys can watch me remove the nails temporarily. I should be able to get a good view of me. Hopefully that works. Okay, so okay. Right here. Okay. All right, so that should be it. There we go. And just so you guys can see real quick, I haven't even gotten the new shingle in yet. And as you can see, I was barely lifting the shingles that were there. But if you look at this now, all of these are just cracking. I mean, it's just granules popping out of all these shingles. If you look at all that. So not only do we have a giant matting transfer, on all of these shingles. We have 2 layers and matting transfers, right? Now we also have granule loss and cracking at the top of the shingles. So in all my years of experience, this roof's integrity would be jeopardized even more so by trying to do these repairs so widespread on this roof. So for these reasons, asking for a full replacement of this roof to bring this homeowner to a livable and prior loss condition. That's all I got. Thank you.